Nyinga Emmanuel Dombo Lumala, Abedo Director Information NRM Secretariat. That's the natural, you know.
Okay. Well, for
the short time I've been in the Omoro, I'm also learning something, and I'm very sure if I stay longer and I make more friends, I should be able to interact more with the people of Omoro.
Okay.
The people of Omoro and northern Uganda and the country at large lost a leader. And I don't know whether people of northern Uganda appreciate that loss. It was a big loss in the name of Right Honorable Jacob Oulanya, and that's why we have been here to commiserate with the family, with the people, and also help in the process of elections when we expect to elect somebody to replace Right Honorable Jacob Oulanya as a member of parliament. I have seen very interesting things in northern Uganda.
Okay.
And I've just been having a discussion with the media, panelists, media people, on how best and what best we can do to transform the society amidst the plenty which is available. When I first came here, I visited a friend of mine called Dr. Kidega. He's up here with a number of cows. And the first word he told me in Acholi was Lumlonyo. He told me, Dombo, many people don't know that growth is wealth. And for him, he had mobilized the community around him to go and cut grass along the roads. They go and dry it, and they bring to him to make money. And he asked me, he said, all this grass that we had, if the people can be supported and they cut it, there are many areas where people want to buy grass for cows or for animals, and they don't have it. Many trailers which go to Sudan, which go through the northern part of the country, many people are cutting grass, drying it, and selling it.
You will also equally share with us, what do you think are the problems of the people of Omoro County? Let me take this commercial break. Will
you translate my message?
Yes, that's
so that people can get it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay.
Madok ilokom mok ma president mogoni wanu tamuni en gin gitamuni gini eno mono be ki jo magi yer ye yu moro.
Okay, Mr. Dombo, you can respond to his question, his information.
First of all,
I don't know whether it's true.
The person who informed him that the president directed, that is not true. Because
remember, you are a Christian.
Yes, I am a Christian.
If it's true, you say it.
And I know this is a Christian radio.
Yes.
And I know many Christians, and even all people are listening to us. Because I know.
So you are telling us
the president asked Honorable Douglas Okello. He asked him, are you a Christian? And Honorable Douglas answered, I am not only a Christian, but a very strong Christian. And so therefore, Honorable Douglas can come and tell the people of Omoro, like he did yesterday, where we were moving, that there was no directive. They just communicated what we had already discussed. There had been negotiations between the party leaders, between some traditional leaders, some religious leaders prayed for us, because for them they don't interfere in politics, but they were present and they saw what happened. I saw a bishop was there, I think from the Anglican Church, and there was a priest from the Catholic Church, those whom we went with. And they know that the president did not direct anybody. That is a lie. And this one which says that the president said that even if he's useless, so useful, you see, when somebody is elected,
I don't know whether you people in government are seeing the Because electing someone who is incompetent for 5 years or 4 years,
how did you measure?
Doing nothing to the population, doing nothing to the local people, really? Because when you say let's give him the 4 years, whether it's useful or useless, we shall see from there.
Yeah, the people will measure.
But it's going to cost people.
But how do you know that he will be competent?
Ogamo pen pa omega worry kun en wajani lok ma en tiga wajani ni ano ni lok gopa en penyo kama en winyo ki ye en to kit ma President Yoweri Museveni penyo kere la dit won koma beach o ka eno beru la kristayo mala wo ben eno nyuratini gien gi chung gien gi wego chung pi gi ken gi gien pe ki dio gi adia ki dong be pela rengdo penyo ki ken ni pingo gamente mirni mier ki chwal dan ma konye pe i parliament pien ka ki chwalo en dan ma konye pe ni eno ni obomiyo achara ki jo moro ento en beno gamo ma be wajani wan jo mor ngeni ning no jogo lanya konye pere so fudong logo gi kaken.
Okay, Mr. Dombo, let me come back to you. 2 questions, then I go to other panelists. Yeah, one of them is what is the leadership experience of your candidate, Ojok Andrew? Because you made mention people of Omoro must. Is a must to your case. You say they should elect Ojok this time around. Not only now, but you even mention it in other forum. This is your voice. Let me play it. It's a clip.
But also the assurances of the national chairman, the party leadership, and the secretary general that the party is going to do what it takes to ensure that Andrew Ojok wins to replace his father in parliament.
Okay, you can take it up from there.
Welcome mapia la ditu ugamo pen makitiga penyo kila diti at kan NTN kit diro me tela ngoma la candidate ma meggi o jogo lanya tikere en bene ki tugu duane manonok ma en wajatini parti pa NRM obutimu kit ginu mo ke ken en padara ma wajane ko kit gina ngo ento ginu mo ke ken meneno ni candidate ma meggi uloyo kui.
Okay.
Now, me I'm a Christian, and I like reading the examples of Christianity.
And I would like you to share with us the leadership experience of your candidate, your current candidate,
yes,
Ojok Andrew.
Because as a Christian, I know that when Jesus was selected by God, I don't think he had an experience as a prophet. Even many leaders in the Bible, David, and so many leaders who were chosen by God. God chooses you at whatever age, and David came out to become the greatest king of Israel, even when he did not have experience when he was being selected. So if Andrew Ojok has been selected by God, and after elections he go through the people through an election, then we shall wait and see how Ojok performs. But it will not be good for us to begin judging Ojok even before he has become a member of parliament.
Eno gamo la gam na kun wajani en machalo la dit dombe Emmanuel eneti la kristayo. En poro yen en momoro ni kikit ma ki yero kere Yesu Kristo gi kilutela mogo machoni Bible kit ma gin ki yero gi kere ento kunu tino dok bene no gi pe ki ker mo ke ken metelo tela ento lo ba yero gi dong en wajibe ni ka lo ba ayu yero joga da malo ba yu ye no jok miero chere ci olutwal gin gi ngene o jok bi cerro I parliament ento bi konyo
Okay, for now, last question to you, Mr. Dombo. Why is it in most of the by-election, your party, NRM, you don't look outside, you only concentrate in the deceased family, always? Why is it the case with NRM?
It is not only in NRM.
Is that the way, the only way the party can consult with a deceased family?
When Dr. Obote died, Honorable Cecily Ogwal was the municipality MP of Lira municipality. But when the son of Obote came, Honorable Cecilia Ogwal had to run away from Lira because the people told her that the son of the late president had come and the people loved the work the president had done.
But is the contrary with the case of Omoro? The people have not said anything.
No, we are waiting for the people in the time of elections. When it happens at elections, then we shall hear what the people of Omoro say. Then in the DP, in the Democratic Party, I was in parliament for 20 years. And Honorable Musisi Robert was my vice chairman as the chairman for PAFO. I was chairman PAFO, and Mr. Musisi was my vice. He became, when he died in Busiro East, I think, his son came and was elected by the people of Busiro. They are DP, they are Baganda, they are not NRM, but they elected the son and he did a very good job.